लाठी में गुण बहुत है, सदा राखिए संग। गहरी नदी, नारी जहाँ, तहाँ बचावा अंग। A stick possesses many virtues, always keep it with you. It acts as protection in challenging situations like crossing deep waters or rivers or facing uncertain encounters. It symbolizes preparedness and self-defense in life's unpredictable circumstances. जहाँ बचावे अंग, झपटी कुत्ता कहे मारे। दुश्मन दावागीर, होय तिन्हू को झारे। The stick protects the body, fends off attacking dogs, and can strike down enemies or even ragging wildfires. It serves as a powerful tool for defense, symbolizing strength and preparedness against sudden dangers. कह गिरधर कविराय सुनो हो धूर के बाठी। सब हथियार न छाड़ी, हाथ में लीजै लाठी। Giridhar Kavire says, listen, O wise ones. Even if you possess all kinds of weapons, never abandon the stick. Always keep it in your hand, as it is a reliable and versatile tool for protection and support in various situations. कमरी थोरे दाम की बहुते आवे काम। खासा मलमल वाफ्ता, उनकर राखे मान। A simple blanket, though inexpensive, proves very useful. It serves many purposes, offering comfort and protection. Even fine muslin cloth cannot match its practical value, symbolizing that modest and humble things often hold great importance in life.
उनकर राखे मान बंद जहाँ आड़े आवे, बकुचा बांधे मोट राती को झारी पिछावे.
The blanket preserves its dignity, even when folded and stored. When trouble or adversity comes, it can be wrapped and used as a shield. At night, it can be laid out to provide warmth and comfort, symbolizing its enduring value in providing both protection and rest when needed.
कह गिरिधर कविराय मिलत है थोरे दमरी, सब दिन राखे साथ बड़ी मर्यादा कमरी.
Giridhar Kavire says, a small coin may seem insignificant, but it stays with you every day and holds great value. It represents the idea that even small, humble things, when consistently valued and kept with respect, carry immense significance and dignity in life.
गुण की गाहक सहस नरबिन गुण लहे न कोई, जैसे कागा कोकिला शब्द सुने सब कोई.
There are thousands of people who seek virtues, but no one gains respect without having virtues themselves. Just as a crow and a cuckoo may both make sounds, only the cuckoo's voice is appreciated by everyone. This emphasizes that possessing virtues leads to admiration and respect, while superficial qualities go unnoticed.
शब्द सुने सब कोई, कोकिला सबे सुहावन, दो के एक रंग, काक सब भय अपावन.
Everyone hears the sound, but the cuckoo's voice is sweet and pleasant to all. Despite both the crow and the cuckoo making sounds, the cuckoo's song is cherished. However, if both are of the same color or nature, the crow's sound is no longer considered pure or pleasing. This conveys that qualities like virtue or sweetness make a person or thing truly admirable, whereas harshness or negativity tarnishes even the most beautiful outward appearance.
कह गिरिधर कविराय सुनो हो ठाकुर मन के, बिनु गुण लहे न कोई, सहस नर गाहक गुण के.
Giridhar Kavire says, listen, O Lord of hearts. Without virtues, no one earns respect. Thousands seek virtues, but only those who possess them are truly admired. This emphasizes that true value comes from inner qualities like virtue, not from external appearance or superficial traits.
साईं सब संसार में मतलब का व्यवहार, जब लग पैसा गांठ में तब लग ताको यार.
In this world, relationships are often based on mutual benefit. As long as one has money, friends and companions are easily found. But once the money is gone, those same friends disappear. This highlights the transient nature of relationships driven by material gain rather than genuine connection.
तब लग ताको यार, यार संग ही संग डोले, पैसा रहे न पास, यार मुख से नहीं बोले.
As long as one has money, friends stay close and move along with them. This suggests that people tend to remain loyal when there is something to gain, but their true nature is often revealed when material wealth is no longer present.
कह गिरिधर कविराय जगत यही लेखा भाई करत बेग्रजी प्रीति यार बिरला कोई साई.
Giridhar Kavire says, "This is the way of the world, O brother. Most people show affection and love for personal gain, but true, selfless friendship is very rare." This emphasizes that genuine love and friendship, without any expectation of return, are uncommon and valuable in the world.
रहिए लटपट काटी दिन बरु खामे माँ सोय छाह न बाकी बैठिए जो तरु पत्र होय.
It is better to endure the scorching sun and face the hardships of the day than to seek shelter in the shade of a tree. The shade may not last forever, as the tree's leaves will eventually fall. This suggests that relying on temporary comforts is unwise, and it is better to endure challenges and stay prepared for inevitable changes in life.
जो तरु पत्र होय एक दिन धोखा दे हैं जा दिन बहे बयारी टूटी तब जड़ से जय हैं.
If a tree has weak or falling leaves, one day it will deceive you. When the wind blows strongly, the branches will break off from the roots. This signifies that things or people that seem stable may one day fail or let you down, emphasizing the impermanence of situations and the importance of being cautious and aware of inevitable changes.
कह गिरिधर कविराय छाह मोटे की गहिए पाती सब झरी जाएं तो छाया में रहिए.
Giridhar Kavire says, to take shelter under the thick shade of a tree. Even though the leaves may eventually fall, the shade will continue to provide comfort. This suggests that even when temporary circumstances change or fade away, enduring protection and support, like the shade, should be sought, as they offer lasting peace and stability.
पानी बाढ़े नाव में घर में बाढ़े दाम दो हाथ उलीचिए यही सयानो काम.
When the water rises in a boat or prices increase in a house, it is time to act wisely and manage the situation with both hands, effort. This implies that when challenges or difficulties arise, whether in life or in material circumstances, one must take full responsibility and put in their best effort to navigate through them wisely.
यही सयानो काम राम को सुमिरन कीजय पर स्वार्थ के काज शीश आगे धर दीजय.
The wise course of action is to constantly remember and meditate on Lord Ram. When it comes to selfish interests, place them aside and humble yourself. This teaches the importance of spiritual devotion and selflessness over material gains or personal desires, encouraging one to focus on higher values and spiritual remembrance.
कह गिरिधर कविराय बड़ीन की याही बानी चलिए चाल सुचाल राखिए अपना पानी.
Giridhar Kavire says, this is the advice of the wise, walk in a good and proper way, and always maintain your dignity. The phrase emphasizes the importance of following a righteous path and preserving one's integrity and honor in all situations.
राजा के दरबार में जइए सम्या पाए साई तहाँ न बैठिए जह को दे उठाए.
In the king's court, if the right time comes, go ahead and take your place. However, do not sit in a place where someone else has been asked to vacate. This advises one to be respectful of the proper time and space, and not to take advantage of others or cause discomfort, emphasizing decorum and respect in social or professional settings.
जह को दे उठाए बोल अन बोले रहिए हंसिए नहीं हहाए बात पूछे ते कहिए.
When someone is asked to leave, remain silent and do not speak unnecessarily. Do not laugh loudly or make a commotion. If you are asked a question, answer it politely and calmly. This advice emphasizes maintaining humility, discretion, and respect in social situations, speaking only when necessary and in a composed manner.
कह गिरिधर कविराय समय सो कीजय काजा अति आतुर नहीं होय बहरी अनख है राजा.
Giridhar Kavire says, always perform your tasks at the right time. Do not be overly eager or impatient, for if you are, you may face disappointment in the end. This teaches the value of patience and timely action, advising against rushing or forcing things, as acting in haste can lead to undesired outcomes. Dear students, if you found this explanation helpful, please share this video with your friends so they can also benefit from it. I've included links to summaries of other lessons in the description. Be sure to check those out as well. For more lesson explanations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.